If these underdogs will rise to the occasion as Fulgar battling against the Giant under the rim. Pass it to Leona. Leona perfecting his movement for the first 6 minutes of this game. I think he's owning the court, the unfamiliar court here in Bulusan. Now Tikboy Del Rosario still finding his rhythm. Now Leona once again, speaking of the devil, and was intercepted but the ball will still go to their side.
Ito partner yung kulang nitong Team Barcelona on their last outing, no. Itong speedster nila na si Leona. So pag nandiyan yan kasi yung energy nitong batang ito talagang nakukuha din yung mga teammates niya. So yun ang medyo kulang nung last game nila.
Tama, no, walang playmaker and runner. So tingnan natin with this big guy, no, napakalaki rin nitong si Espeño, pero he is blocked by Sabayo, so he tried to clean up his own mess but still didn't make it. Now Sabayo passing it to the new guy, to Tikboy Del Rosario. Stop and puff, hits the rim but not the basket. Now Leona once again slowly crossing the half court, guarded by Habulan. Pass it to the corner. Back to Leona. Leona thinking three, but he was guarded by Habulan with 10 seconds to shoot, asking for a pick. What a behind the back dribble, but trapped inside by 3. So it was intercepted by Team Irosin, and Tikboy now still looking for his momentum. Bounce pass back to Tikboy for regaining his name, but still struggling. No, I think Tikboy is not yet on his rhythm. And Irosin with Dicano running to Sabayo. That's an easy shot for the likes of Sabayo.
Very uncharacteristic yun for Tikboy, partner, yung mga miss layup na ganun, no? But again, sabi nga natin, this is just the first quarter, no, partner. 15 to 10 lamang ang Barcelona ng 5 because of their aggressiveness and because of the transition na ginagawa nitong mga taga-Barcelona against Irosin. So, tingnan natin kung itong timeout na ito ay makapagbibigay ng change ng momentum dito sa mga taga-Barcelona. But again, partner, sabi nga natin, dalawang panalo. So, maganda ang pinapakita nitong Team Irosin dito sa ating laro. But right now, it is not evident on this game at the early goings of the game. Medyo malamya yung start nitong mga taga-Irosin dito, partner. So titingnan natin kung may adjustments ito si Coach Ervin pag balik dito sa ating laro.
So titingnan natin, Coach Paul, indeed. Sa tingin mo, kung ikaw yung coach, ano yung sasabihin mo sa mga players mo, Coach Paul?
Yes, for me, dapat pantayan yung energy nung kabila kasi that's the main thing dito sa pag-start ng ating laro. Medyo kulang sa energy,
no?
Itong mga players nitong Irosin. When it comes to draw of X and O's, alam nila kung anong gagawin nila with their system. Yun na lang siguro yung motivation when it comes to defending and aggressiveness.
So tingnan natin sa Fulgar gets the ball rolling there but misses the shot. Now Tikboy with a long pass to the side but almost intercepted. Now Hapin passing it to the inside to Estrellon, but Estrellon was caught by the referee. There's a foul called on the side of Barcelona, so Estrellon will troop to the line for 2 shots. Again, our running score is 15-10 in favor of Barcelona. No, an unexpected outcome in the first quarter of the match, with 1 minute and 56 seconds remaining time. Estrellon missing the opportunity there. Now Leona once again being the court general, dribbling the ball and signaling his team for a pick, but failed. So Leona once again attempted, pass to the corner, bounce pass to their big guy, and out of nowhere there, sana si Beltran, but misses. Now a breakaway pass and an easy 2 points for Hapin. That's a good timeout on the side of Irosin, producing 2 points after that run. Fulgar now with the ball. Leona fires from downtown, and that's an air ball, but there is jersey number 16. Si Beltran, tama ba?
Yes, that's Beltran, partner, of the other end.
To clean up the mess. Irosin with the ball, with a fadeaway jumper. Napakagandang tira ng isang Leonard Estrelon.
Ito partner, maganda din ang pinapakita nito. Coming off the bench, itong si Leonard Estrelon. So nakita mo naman yung 1-foot jumper niya doon.
And now, Barcelona with the ball. Intercepted by Tikboy Del Rosario. It's the energy we are asking for, but didn't complete the sequence. Beltran Jr. with 37 seconds on the clock to Fulgar. Fulgar fires just right on the line. 3 points made by Fulgar.
That's the first 3-pointer of Rodney Fulgar and the 7th point nito ni Rodney Fulgar on this game, partner.
And yes, because of that, they're ballooning their lead into 6 points already. And with this possession and shot clock is off, they can finish the first quarter strong. But it was intercepted ni Hapin. Hapin making the shot with 5 seconds remaining. Tingnan natin if Barcelona can finish strong. Fires a long-range 3. No good. And we ended our first quarter with a score 20-16 in favor of Team Barcelona.
Yes, partner. So yun na nga. That's the story of the first quarter. Itong energy guy nitong Team Barcelona in the lights of Leona, and also the contribution of Rodney Fulgar. Kaya medyo nakakaumos sila dito. And of course, the energy nila as a team partner. Yun ang gagandahan dito. Pag maganda ang start mo, talagang makakaumos ka na maaga. Pero for sure naman, itong mga taga-Irusin, hindi basta-basta magpapatinag yan, partner. Sabi nga natin, this team is a force to reckon with. Kasi napakalakas talaga nitong team na ito at wala pang katalo-talo sa ating liga. So titingnan natin, partner, coming off the second quarter, kung makakabawi ba itong mga taga-Irusin dito kontra dito sa Barcelona, partner.
Tingnan natin, no? Because of course, Barcelona, if they continue their run and gun momentum, mukhang mahihirapan ng Irosin. Pero sabi mo nga, Coach Paul, no, powerhouse itong Team Irosin. Kumbaga, hindi pa nila, they're not yet stepping, no, on their pedals. Hindi pa nila ginagamit yung turbo nila. So tingnan natin what will transpire on the second quarter rather.
So titingnan natin. So again, Rodney Fulgar dito talagang nangunguna with 7 points. And ito naman si Leona with 6 points. At sa kabila naman, partner, itong player nitong Irusin na si Sabayo at si Drio ang nangunguna sa puntos, partner, with both 4 points.
At least well distributed, no, ang puntos for the team, no. That's a good sign for a basketball team. But at the early 10 seconds of the game, there is a whistle blown already on the side of Barcelona. Ito yung mukhang magiging problem nila in the long run. They had several fouls already from the first quarter, and as early as the second quarter, they already caught by the referees. Ito na, Hapin, no, still missing the first free throw, no, like his teammates a while ago, but at least he got one chicken in the bucket there. Leona, once again, carrying the ball and trying to make a play for his team. Asking for a pick once again. Binalik kay Beltran. Back to Leona with 10 seconds to shoot. The big man shooting from beyond the arc but misses. That was a surprise.
Yes,
seeing Espeño shooting
but
from
normally,
that range.
partner, na ipapasok yan ni Espeño, no? On their last outing talaga maganda yung shooting nito ni Espeño. But right now, medyo nangangapapa dito sa larong ito.
Now Fulgar running, using his body, thinking it was a mismatch against Decano, but Decano stands still. Pero there's a foul called for blocking Fulgar.
Yes, partner. So Decano Jan is also a very steady guard dito for Team Irusin. Maganda ang contribution niya when it comes to their past games. So ito, pansinin ko lang ito si Jan Decano, partner, played for Annunciation, Sorsogon, and sabi niya kanina, third year pa lang ako, coach, nag-aaral pa ako. So yun nga, ang iba dito, partner, mga student athlete talaga. Itong mga player na naglalaro dito sa AKB Cup.
Grabe, high quality, high caliber players for this prestigious league. No, if not the biggest, no, one of the biggest league here in Bicolandia.
Yes, partner. And of course, partner, ang dami natin dito nga pa mga players na government employed like uniform personnel, coming from Philippine National Police and also from Bureau of Fire and may BJMP pa nga mga naglalaro dito. So talagang itong liga natin para sa lahat.
Para sa lahat.
Oo.
No? Walang pinipili as long as you can play and as long as you want to play. So with that, pasalamatan na natin ang ating mga bossing, no, na si Congressman Saldico at ang Ako Bicol Party List and Congressman Jill Bongalon, ang ating commissioner na si Sir Lloyd Rivera at ang kanyang assistant commissioner na si Sir
Ino Rivera.
Ino Rivera, yeah.
Kapatid niya.
I
And of
almost
course,
forget
si Boss Russell Loretta of IMBC.
Yeah,
Sa napakagandang broadcast natin.
Tama.
Of course, si Direk Chano Calleja. Christian
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa mga nanonood sa ating online platforms, no, pa-like and share. Mapapanood tayo sa Ako Bicol Party List, sa Congressman Saldico FB page at sa Ako Bicol Online TV. Meron din po tayong Ako Bicol YouTube channel. And with that, too much action already happened in the court. So, Hirosin firing a 3 and the big man of Barcelona securing the ball there. Leona deciding to get a revenge three-pointer but no good. Here comes behind the back pass to Bulawan. What a connection there by Gakos and Bulawan.
Ito, on the last game, partner, maganda pinapakita nito ni Jamil Bulawan coming off the bench, no? To give a good breather for Aymar Sabayo.
Tama, no? The two giants of Team Hirosin. And now, Decano leaving the ball. Fulgar there with an easy 2 after that interception. Bulawan giving the ball to Gakos. Back to Decano. Decano to Hapin. Hapin asking for a pick. So Estrellon is there. Hapin to Gakos. Fires a jumper. No good. Beltran securing the ball to Leona. Leona pushing forward. Pushing alone and he made the basket. Grabe talaga ang isang Leona.
And 10 points na siya, partner, dito. And tingnan mo naman, itong kalamangan din ng Barcelona dito. Talagang ito, energy guy talaga dito, si Leona, partner. So ayun na naman, Mintes on that 3-pointer, itong mga taga-Irusin.
And still struggling to find their rhythm. So Team Barcelona is maximizing this opportunity. Fulgar no misses but nandun si Beltran Jr. to clean up the mess. Now Decano still finding the rhythm for his team, asking for someone, asking for a bigger guy to give him a pick. Bounce pass dito sa loob kay Estrellon and kay Gakos, no, but misses. Estrellon decided to take the 3 for himself, but still misses. No luck on their long-range shots. And Fulgar giving the ball to Leona. Leona waiting for the big guy. Na si Espeño. Espeño fires from downtown! Nothing but net! What a shot there by Espeño. Tama ka nga, partner, no? He can shoot from the line.
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa iyo, partner. Talagang may shooting ito, si Espeño behind the arc. So, ito, partner, sabi mo nga, talagang bilog ang bola, partner. Ito, medyo nakakaungos na dito. With 11-point lead, if I'm not mistaken, partner, dito sa ating laro, itong mga taga-Barcelona. So, dapat huwag maging complacent, partner, itong mga taga-Irusin. Kasi sabi nga natin, it's everybody's ball game.
Tama,
talaga.
No? So, I think the coach of Hirosin na si Coach Irvin Lagena medyo nag-struggle. Ano kayang gagawin nila dito, Coach Paul?
Yes, partner. So medyo nag-struggle din siya when it comes to players na kung sino ang i-fill in niya, partner. And kung makikita mo kanina, partner, yung mga puntos na yon is because talagang nagiging aggressive itong Barcelona in attacking the paint and the basket. And of course, recognition ng mga open guy. So maganda ang pinapakita nito ni Leona when it comes to manning the point. And also kasi partner, yun nga sinasabi ko, ito yung kulang nila nung nakaraang game. Also Oscar Beltran, no, nung game na yun is wala siya.
Wala din.
So medyo kinapos. Pero tingnan mo, pag nakokompleto itong Team Barcelona partner, talagang malakas to partner.
Tama.
So titingnan natin kung anong adjustments na gagawin dito ng Team
So,
NOC.
tingnan natin, no? The underdogs now are gaining momentum. And that's an 11-point lead already. But Tikboy De Rosario says no. But misses the shot.
Still struggling partner behind
Yes.
the arc itong si Tikboy.
Hindi niya pa nahanap ang kanyang
Oo.
momentum. Bordios, first time entering the court, no, to let Leona rest for a while. So tingnan natin if this will affect the flow of the game as Gakos there. Ito naman si Bordios. Napakabilis din. No? Espeño once again, same spot, but this time it's an air ball.
But that's a good shot partner on the part of Espeño. No, open na open siya doon sa taas na 'yon.
Tama ka nga, Coach Paul, no? Grabe yung court awareness ng itong Team Barcelona for this particular game. And with that shot, he will be replaced by Guelas. No? Jersey number 86 na si Romel Guelas. Decano, passing it to Gakos. Five minutes and 18 seconds remaining time, mga kasurog. Again, live na live tayo dito sa Bulusan Cultural and Sports Center. Inbounding the ball there is Team Erosin in light blue jerseys, and in white our Team Barcelona. Tikboy De Rosario fires a three but still misses. No, he's been trying several spots here in the line, pero
That's the fourth miss partner on the part of Tikboy De Rosario.
sorry miss for Tikboy De Rosario. But Decano with the ball, running like a wind, Eurostep and a floater, but misses. So he's desperately trying. Now Guelas, binali sa ere, misses. But Fulgar was there to grab the ball with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Tingnan natin. Bordios. Fulgar, no, very consistent as well. No, in the absence of Leona, he's becoming the pointer for his team. Fulgar grabbing the steal there. Decided to pass it. Fulgar against three. Hits the rim but not the basket. And stolen once again. Grabe. Grabing turnover lang nangyayari. Mukhang there's a little problem in Team Erosin and they are not happy with it.
Yes, partner, medyo very unlikely for this team, no? May mga miscommunication at the early goings ng ating laro.
Decano attacking all on his own. Still misses. Running like a wind is Bordios with a stop and puff. What a shot. No, I am speechless yet I am happy because this game, no, turns out to be a different game from what we are expecting. But again, the game, no, is still anybody's ball game. So Decano still using his hand for a floater. So puntahan muna natin si Barbie Floriano para sa kanyang report. Barbie, take it away.
Thanks Coach Jallo and Coach Paul. It was a low start for Team Erusin, resulting for Team Barcelona to ace the first quarter. We have seen that they are lacking in transition defense, but then the time is still ticking. Kaya naman, Team Erusin coaches reminded the players to not focus on the offense and have first a strong defense. Dagdag pa niya na hanapin ang rhythm ng laro habang mahaba pa ang oras. That's the latest from the court side. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Barbie Floriano. And nakita na natin, no, the difference between two teams is that Barcelona has been moving the ball around. And nakapuntos kanina itong Team Erusin by doing the same thing. So tingnan natin if they will recognize this impact and this plan executed by Team Barcelona.
Yes, partner. And also, kung kaya bang ma-maintain itong Barcelona, itong ginagawa nila. But again, napapansin ko talaga because of that good start in the first quarter na dala dito sa second quarter. And tingnan mo naman, partner, umabot pa ng 20 points yan, yung kalamangan na yan. So, titingnan natin, partner, kung magtutuloy-tuloy ito for Team Barcelona. But sabi ko nga, itong Team Irusin, if they want to get back on this game, starting this moment, kailangan na nilang mag-pick up talaga on their game. Kasi sabi nga ng ating kaibigan, nakasama din natin dito sa panel na si Wadi Jan Bachiller, may konting malas at may kasamang malas pa yung mga taga-Irusin. So titingnan natin kung anong mangyayari coming off this timeout, partner.
Indeed. So stay tuned because again, no, Barcelona has been craving to redeem themselves, no, to taste the victory, no, to grab their first win. At ito na mga si Team Irosin, no, they want to continue their winning streak. So tingnan natin if the Irosin, no, from the word Eros, the destroyers, will destroy Barcelona on the remaining minutes of the second quarter until the fourth quarter, or magko-continue itong commendable offense ng Team Barcelona.
Yes, partner. So So ngayon ko lang yan, partner, nalaman na yung Erosin pala is ganyan na coming from a word Eros.
Nalaman ko lang
yung Barcelona ba?
Barcelona partner na trivia din sa ating mga nanonood. Ang dating pangalan niya is Danlag or Danlog if I'm not mistaken, kasi my father is from Gubat.
Okay.
So river, no, pangalan niya ng river. Part sila ng Gubat dati. And then the Spaniards decided to make it a different municipality. A love untold, ika nga,
Barcelona.
And speaking of a love untold, Tikboy Del Rosario with a quick pass there. But again, maalat pa rin, no? Valderrama did not make that shot. Pulgar with the ball. Same position, taking three, but attacks instead. Shaking off his defender. And Bordios there, making the shot. What a dime drop there by Fulgar after recognizing that he cannot make the shot. Now Tikboy Del Rosario to the side. Valderrama asking for a pick but didn't get any. Struggling. We have Ryu. And spinning, trapped against three. Very good defense on the side of Barcelona. And out of nowhere is Bordios using the glass for two.
Grabe, partner, itong Bordios, no? Napakaganda. Coming off the bench, partner. Mayroon na siyang, alam mo ba kung ilan, partner?
Ilang points, partner?
Mayroon na siyang 11 points, partner, dito.
Grabe naman ang isang Bordios, no? Parang nandito pa lang siya, andun na agad sa kabila. And Fulgar once again to Bordios. Dribbling the ball to the side. Bordios fires from downtown. No good. Tikboy Del Rosario securing the ball. And Bordios almost getting the ball there. And what a sorry miss for Valderrama. Having a mismatch under the paint but didn't make the shot. Now for their third attempt, Barcelona has been called for a foul. Grabe, partner. Mukhang hindi ako naniniwala sa sumpa sa physics major, no? Pero mukhang may sumpa itong ring.
So yun nga, parang tinakpan eh.
Oo, kanina pa eh.
Good foul on the part of Guelas, partner. Na-recognize siya na medyo kulang sila dito sa baba. So finaul niya na lang doon sa play na yon. So tingnan mo naman, partner. Itong kagandahan dito, itong Bordios, grabe yung pinapakita, no? And wala si Leona, napapahingahan, partner, with that kind of lead. So
Tama,
maganda
no?
ito for Team Barcelona, partner, dito sa ating laro.
Yes, again, no, sabi mo nga, mga elite players ito. So anyone, no, can play. Kaya sobrang ganda ng result dito sa Team Barcelona. And again, grabe yung hustle nila to get the ball, to get the loose ball, and the movement. Kung mapapansin mo, partner, tuwang-tuwa yung coach kasi halos lahat ng member or team player nakakahawak ng bola. Tikboy against all odds, but still did not make the shot.
Grabe, hawa-hawa na, partner, itong energy na kanina pang nagsimula for Team Barcelona at pagpasok ng mga bench player, ganon ding energy ang binigay nila. So this is a good thing for Team Barcelona and this is a good thing for Coach Russell Mendoza. No? So kung ako ang coach, maganda ang nakikita ko, matutuwa ako. Pero yun nga, sabi natin, kaya bang i-maintain itong mga taga-Barcelona, partner? So ayun na, another steal.
They know how to trap the bigger man. And easy point there by Estuye, almost losing the ball. But he was managed to recognize. Sabay was not happy with that sequence. Tikboy firing still. Wala pa rin. Tikboy attacking now for an easy two. And there's a motion called by the referee, I think for delaying the game. And yan, mukhang alam ko yung motion na yon, pero antayin muna natin ang announcement sa ating table.
Medyo masakit yun, partner.
Maybe the pressure, no? They are feeling the pressure right now. As you've observed, they've been running aggressively to regain, no? Technical foul yun.
Technical foul on Tikboy Del Rosario.
No, initially, ano lang sana, warning for delaying the game.
Yes, partner.
And then it became a technical foul for resentment to a call. Tama ba,
Yes,
Coach
partner.
Paul?
Yes, partner. Ganun talaga. Yung,
So, two shots ba or isa lang? Coach
Isa lang
Paul,
yan, partner. Isa.
And ball possession. So, Barcelona now is rising, no, is stepping on Irosin with 5 seconds remaining. So tingnan natin if mababawasan ng kalamangan. And the new face, etong hindi pala new face, si Drio.
Yes, partner. So kung mapapansin mo, partner, mayroon ng adjustments na ginawa. Itong mga taga-Erosen, they are now playing man-to-man defense. Kanina, they are zoning lang. Ngayon, nagpe-play sila ng man-to-man defense to better siguro pressure the opponent, partner.
Tama, no, they recognize na sobrang bibilis nitong Team Barcelona. And with 2.2 seconds remaining, who will grab the ball to close this half? And basket counts. Grabe, itong ginawa ni Drew. So ayun na nga, sa mga ka-tune in lang, many people have been expecting that Irosin will dominate this game. They will balloon with a lead against Barcelona, but Barcelona proves otherwise. So magbabalik po kami para sa third quarter ng larong ito. Please stay tuned. This is Jello at kasama ko si Coach Paul. See you on the third quarter. We beat them by almost half.
Celada launching another triple. Yes, again!
Terena si Aquino. Babab Santa Maria using the glass corner. Si Jeff Viernes.
Sa Legazpi, he has redeemed himself.
One, the hustler, Santa Cruz! What up? Yes, again!
It is last minutes na kanyang fourth quarter. Babab for three. Martin for Babab Santa Maria.
Wala akong masasabi. Kailan yun? Bahala na kayo.
Yan for three. Kaboom!
Ito talaga ang confidence nitong back.
Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapag-access road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Muraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Partiles. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa ako, Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa mga sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Welcome back mga kasurog sa Bulusan Cultural and Sports Center. You are still watching Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon. First game of our 4-game series here sa Bulusan. You are watching Team Barcelona, the underdog who is taking quite control of this unexpected game against Team Erosin. Kasama ko muli si Coach Paul. Coach Paul?
Yes, partner. So pasadahan ko lang, partner, itong mga leading scorer natin nung nakaraang half. For Team Barcelona, we have Fulgar with 12 points, Leona with 10 points. Also, itong si Bordios coming off the bench may 10 points, partner. At sa kabila naman, the only bright light for this team Irusin is Raymart Diu. So medyo nag-struggle when it comes to points, partner, itong mga taga Irusin dito. And pansinin ko lang, partner, look at this number for bench points, partner. Itong mga bench players nitong Barcelona is nakakontribute na ng 22 big points. At sa kabila naman, dito sa mga taga Irusin, 13 points lang, partner. At mayroon ng 10 steals itong mga taga Barcelona kontra sa 8 ng mga taga Irusin.
Indeed, no, the numbers don't lie. Good utilization of players on the side of Barcelona, no? Medyo na-shock din yung mga kaibigan natin dyan, no, na nanonood sa live, no? Si Tito Babot Enorme at ang mga tricycle driver dyan sa Luna Candol. No, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. No, ang Espinacilla family and mga taga-Paco, Gubat, Sorsogon, no? Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay sa laro. Eto na, Irosin with the ball. Flying high there, passing to Tikboy Rosario with an open fire. Misses. And kitang-kita sa camera there, Drew grabbing the shirt of Beltran. So he was called foul.
And 20 na, partner, ang inahabol itong mga taga-Irusin dito sa ating early goings ng third quarter, partner.
Tama, no? It started with 2 points and it ballooned already to 20 points. Tingnan natin kung anong adjustment ang ginawa nila during the halftime break. With Fulgar being guarded now by the big guy na si Sabayo. But he was confident enough to attack. But his shot was short to make the finish. And jersey number 3, Grifaldo there, decided to pass and dish it to the outside man. Pero they miss. Now, Leona to Espeño fires from long range but misses. The ball will go to Barcelona with 14 seconds to shoot. Gile with his first entrance. Inbounding the ball to Fulgar. Fulgar taking 3. But he was guarded by Grifaldo. So Leona receives the ball with 7 seconds remaining. He's heavily guarded. Good pick there. Destroying the defense of Irosin, but Tikboy de Rosario was there to rebound the ball for a breakaway shot made by Decano.
Good stop on the part of Team Erusin, their partner.
And the ball hold was awarded to Team Barcelona, but Tikboy was expecting the ball is theirs.
Yes,
So tingnan
partner.
natin kung anong gagawin ng referee. So they will review. Ito yung kagandahan. No, or he revoked his call
Yes,
rather
partner.
no, instead of reviewing. So Tikboy now will inbound the ball. Lob pass to the outside to Decano. Fires a 3. Napaka-straight sana ng tira. Pero slightly missed the ball there. Leona with Tikboy guarding him. Drops the ball to Fulgar. Fulgar almost lose the ball. Fires a 3-pointer instead. Misses. So mukhang dito sa ring talaga yung problema. Decano attacking the paint against 3. Oh, nakakapagpa-shoot naman sila dun sa kabila eh. Ito yung tinatawag natin minsan mga supernaturals, metaphysics. Oh, baka nagkakataon lang. So,
Good drive on the part of Leona.
so we have to recognize
Decano rather.
yes, no, and
So-
we have to recognize the effort of Team Erosin after the halftime break there.
Yes, partner. So ngayon naman, good adjustments on the part of Team Erusin playing man-to-man. Pero titingnan natin kung may adjustment ba dito sa Team Barcelona when it comes to their offense, partner, kasi medyo minamadali at napapadali yung mga shots nila. So yung shot selections medyo poor dito sa ating third quarter for Team Barcelona.
So tingnan natin if the table will turns or the story will continue as Team Erosin shooting from long ranges misses. Now Leona with the ball running like a wind to the side. That's 2 against 2. So Leona decided to attack on his own but misses the shot and the rebound. So Tikboy from coast to coast getting a foul there. So I think they are now gaining their momentum.
Yes, partner, because of that change of defense na ginawa nila kanina. So tingnan natin, and medyo napipressure itong mga taga Barcelona to take that shot easily, partner. So yun ang maganda dito, adjustments after adjustments. So tingnan natin kung makakabalik itong mga taga Erusin dito.
Tama, no? I like your word there, Coach Paul, no, na adjustments after adjustments. Kasi yun yung importance ng mga coaches din, no? This is if they are playing chess against each
Yes.
other. So nagbabasketball ka na, nagchi-chess ka pa.
Oo.
So tingnan natin, no, how would Coach Russell Mendoza move his pieces, no, to dominate this board or this court, no, in his chess play. So tingnan natin as Barcelona is heavily guarded as they cross the half court. But here is jersey number 9 na si Villena. But misses. Tikboy once again on his own. And this time, it's the Barcelona squad that is not happy with the call.
So timeout muna, tumawag ng ceasefire kasi medyo, partner, medyo napako sa 51 points itong mga taga Barcelona dito. And of course, good recognition on the part of Erosin to keep on attacking, partner. So yun ang dapat. Tapatan nila yung aggressiveness na pinapakita nitong mga taga Barcelona at the early stage pa lang ng ating laro, partner, kasi yung sinasabi nga natin kung medyo malamya, so walang mangyayari. So dapat yun, counter nila. Kung aggressive yung kabila, maging aggressive din sila, partner. So yun ang magandang ginagawa nito ng mga taga Erosin dito. Kaya
So,
nagpa-time out itong mga taga Barcelona.
Tama, no, Team Erosin is letting Barcelona taste their own medicine, no. So ano kayang adjustments, Coach Paul, ang sasabihin, no? Kung ikaw again yung nakaupo doon, anong sasabihin mo sa Team Barcelona?
Ako, partner, for Team Barcelona, kasi nga medyo nagmaman-to-man defense na itong Team Erosin. Siguro more on passing, partner. Medyo bilisan nila yung ball movement nila. And of course, wag madaliin yung tira, partner, kasi minsan minamadali nila yung tira, walang masyadong sets na nangyayari. So that's why ang feeling natin may takip yung ring kasi hindi sila nakakapag-produce ng points because of that good defense na pinapakita nitong Erosin.
Okay, good observation, Coach Paul, no. So they have to move the ball around as they've been using to, no, sa first and second quarter. Yun yung kulang sa kanila ngayon because they have 24 seconds pero nagsushoot na sila, no?
Yes,
With
minamadali,
still,
partner.
2-digit
So,
on the shot
yun lang nga,
clock.
yun ang tanong natin dito. If yung Barcelona ba, they are ready with the kind of offense na mayroon sila na dun sa depensa na pinapakita nitong mga taga Irusin na man-to-man. So, it all boils down to dun to sa system nito ni Coach Russell. So, kung maganda yung sistema, hindi sila mararatel, partner. Bakit ka mararatel? Sabi nga natin dyan, if all things fails, stick to your system. Yun
Tama.
naman talaga yun dapat.
No. Of course, this is an organized basketball, no? Hindi to basta-basta. So tingnan natin if that break no, will bring good result. And speaking of Fulgar attacks, but he was against 3 Giants there. And Irosin cleaning up the mess there was Crefaldio. Grabe, that's I think 8-0 run already or 9-0
Yes,
run of Team Irosin.
Partner, yun na, 9-0 run kasi 11 na lang ang inahabol dito.
And Leona, mukhang maniniwala na talaga ako sa sumpa. Tikboy dropping the dime there. To Sabayo, and now they're controlling the game. Tingnan natin if Barcelona can stop the momentum with the score. Kasi they are down to a 9-digit lead. And this makes the crowd goes wild. They are seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. So tingnan natin kung ano ang mangyayari to this sequence. Wala pa rin. Del Rosario throwing the ball to his teammate there na si Lopez. And we're counting. That's a 13-0 run. Espanyo, locked by Sabayo. Almost tripped naman ito nga. Si Villena throwing the ball but still misses Fulgar for his second attempt. No good. And Leona was intercepted by Lopez. Lopez taking 3, fires from downtown. Didn't make the shot. And Fulgar calming things down. With 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time against Grefaldeo, Beltran decided to fire. That's a random shot there.
Yun lang sinasabi natin, partner. If ready ba sila to make those kind of shot and yung offense nila kung ready sila doon. But for now, partner, napakinggan muna natin si Regine sa kanyang report. Regine, pasok.
Coming from 0-2, masasabi ng Team Barcelona na nakapaghanda sila ngayon kumpara sa mga nakaraan nilang laro. Binago nila ang kanilang tactics and techniques para sa Team Irusin. Kung dati raw ay mabagal ang kanilang simula, pero ngayon nagkaroon sila ng strong start at aggressiveness sa defense at sa offense. Sa ngayon, Team Barcelona are hoping ng ngayong araw makukuha nila ang kanilang unang panalo sa Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Sir Jello at Coach Paul.
Thank you so much, Regine. And very evident nga, that they had a strong start. But now they are struggling because Team Irosin is able to close the gap into 4 points. No, the game now is becoming more interesting as a Team Irosin with just 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Coach Apol, no?
Grabe yung pagbaliktad ng momentum, partner. Kasi nga maganda yung naging adjustments nitong mga taga-Irusin when it comes to defense, partner. And eto na, tumutulong na din, partner, yung mga bench player nitong mga taga-Irusin dito, partner.
And the Giant was rejected. Sabayo with a monster block there. Tikboy firing. No good. Fulgar looking for his teammates. Fulgar looking for someone. Leona from the outskirts. Leona to the corner. Lose the ball. Happen to Tikboy Del Rosario running like a wind using his body, asking for a foul. What a veteran move there ng isang Tikboy Del Rosario.
At yan ang ikang 7 puntos ni Tikboy, partner, dito sa ating laro.
Grabe naman yun. And we're down to an 18-0 run. And to close the gap, Tikboy against 3. Stops and pops! And he made the shot. And an opportunity to gain the lead for the very first time, mga kasurog, dito sa ating first game ng Ako Bicol Cup. Tingnan natin ang review. Against 3. Stops and pops. Grabe naman to. This is a 20-0 run in the 7 minutes of our third quarter. Kung baga in layman's term, 17-0 during the second half, Coach Paul.
Yes, partner. Tamang-tama ka dyan. Yung sabi ko nga, ready ba itong mga taga-Barcelona with the kinds of adjustments, partner? Sabi nga natin, when it comes to offense, medyo minamadali nila. And yun naman, kinakapitalize nitong mga taga-Irusin yung kanilang defense, and then after that going to offense. So talagang napakaganda yung ng adjustments dito sa third quarter nitong mga taga-Irusin, partner.
Tama, at napakagandang laro, kaya tuwang-tuwa yung mga kaibigan ko dyan sa Naga City, no? Sabi ni Rafi, na Rafi Puyot, no, na nanonood sa Naga City, pati siya napatayo, no, with that sequence. Grabe naman to. Mga the tables.
And, partner, this is just the first game, no? So mayroon tayong 4 na laro ngayong hapon. So again, stay tuned po mga kaibigan sa Bicol Cup, Sorsogon. So again, this is just the first game. So tingnan natin, partner, ipaibubusto ito ni Tikboy De Rosario at makaka-gain na ng kanilang unang lamang dito sa larong ito.
Tingnan natin.
On the other hand, partner, ano ba ang magiging adjustments nitong mga taga Barcelona dito? Kasi kanina, yung panlaban nila is the aggressiveness, partner.
Indeed, and baby,
jinx tayo doon. But sabi nga natin, ayan, pumasok yung free throw ni Tikboy De Rosario. And partner, sabi nga natin, yung energy kanina medyo bumaba because of that adjustments yung man-to-man defense ng mga taga-Irosin.
Tama, no? Good recognition there on the side of the coaching staff of Team Irosin. So tingnan natin kung ano naman ang adjustments ang ginawa ng Barcelona after that 21 to nothing run. Pulgar trying to attack, fires from the corner, no good. And eto na, attacking the paint there and cleaning up the mess. Same position, same motion. Itong si Grifaldeo, Ronel.
At tuloy-tuloy na nga itong pagbulusok dito, partner, nitong mga taga-Irusin. So again, partner, yun ang sinasabi natin. They are looking for a one-on-one, two-on-two. Yun ang hindi dapat gawin nitong mga taga-Barcelona. Dapat share the ball.
And Yona cannot be aware because he's not making his own space. And there's a foul called on Team Barcelona, adding insult to the injury. Hindi na nga naibuslo yung bola, meron pang foul. With 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining time, Irosin now is living up to their name, no, the Destroyers, destroying Team Barcelona, no. Tingnan natin if this will continue until the end, no, kasi sikat ang Barcelona for having their ruins.
Yes,
so will they be ruined after the game or makakabalik
This is
sila?
just the third quarter, partner, with 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining.
Tama, no, from your own words nga, Coach Paul, no, this is still within striking distance.
Yes, partner.
So this could be anybody's ball game. So tingnan natin what will transpire on the remaining 2 minutes and 51 seconds and for the final quarter. As Sabayo is there, no, the big man with his incredible shooting skills, taking the lead away with 5 points. And Leona being guarded, cannot control the space anymore. So Beltran cannot look for anyone who is open, so decided to take the shot for himself. Tikboy De Rosario crossing the half court to the side, dribbles, loses his defender, and eto na yung ginagawa ng Barcelona kanina. Eto na yung ginagawa ng Irosin. They've been seeing several open man, but with 10 seconds to shoot, Tikboy is holding the ball against Leona. Dribbles with 5 seconds, fires, and misses his chance there. And napakaganda ng striker natin doon, no? Saving the camera.
Yes, partner.
So shoutout sa mga strikers natin dyan.
So rinireklamo nila, partner, na out of bounds na kasi tumama sa taas ng board. Pero hindi naman sa likod eh.
Yan. Thank you for that trivia, no? Dapat sa likod para ma-out of bounds, Coach
sa
Paul.
bakal sa likod. Yung sa taas tumama eh.
Pulgar with an open shot there. And ladies and gentlemen, that's their first 2 points after 8 minutes on the third quarter.
Yes, partner. That's the first 2 points.
Napako sila sa 51 with a good defense of Irosin. Tikboy asking for a pick. Tikboy against Beltran. Throws the ball to the bigger man, but there's an off-ball foul there. The foul was called against
Tascuelas. The fourth, yun yung masakit doon, partner. Kasi ito si Guelas, isa din tong steady forward for Team Barcelona. So that's the fourth foul on Guelas.
That would hurt a lot. And sayang, no, they only have 9 seconds sana to finish the play. It was already a good defense, but they committed the foul. So, a costly mistake there.
Grabe din ang pinapakita nito ni Grifaldeo with 7 points on the game.
So,
Ito, partner, medyo player na to, medyo papulot-pulot lang, pero
tama, no?
talaga grabe yung contribution.
We can label him as the cleaner.
Yes, partner.
He gets the rebound and he puts the ball into the basket. Beltran to Fulgar. Fulgar against Grifaldeo. Beltran. Beltran fires again. A three-pointer, but still no luck.
Wala pa rin.
Oo. Ewan ko na lang kung sa depensa ba o sa ring na talaga ang problema. Tikboy. Dribbling the ball. Lob pass and an alley-oop. Good recognition there on the side of Del Rosario. Feeding it off to Hapin.
So
For
yun
an easy
partner,
two.
yun ang hinahanap natin dito. Yung proper execution when it comes to offense. Kasi medyo more on one-on-one partner ang ginagawa nitong mga taga-Barcelona dito.
And kumbaga naubos na yung energy ng Team Barcelona no, on the first half. So kumbaga, as we were saying a while ago, on the third quarter, yung inipon na turbo ng Team Irosin, inubos nila. Tingnan natin if may natitira pa. As Fulgar shoots a long-range jumper, closing the gap at least no, with 5 points.
And make that 15 points for Roddy Fulgar on this game. Medyo siya ang slight bright light for Team Barcelona dito sa third quarter.
No, and Tikboy against all odds, and the Giants are scramming inside, but Beltran securing the ball there, decided to give it to Fulgar. That's 3 against 1, and he takes it on his own, closing the gap into 3 points. Napakagandang laro.
Yes, partner.
Shot clock is off. And jersey number 27 na si Yapin, using his body. With 10 seconds remaining, tingnan natin if Barcelona can close the gap as we end the third quarter or mananatili ang dominance. What a spin there by Leona! Leona! Showing off on the last seconds of the game. Closing the third quarter with a 3-point lead of Irosin against Barcelona. Any thoughts on that third
Yes, partner.
exciting
Yun na
third
nga,
quarter?
sabi nga natin, napakaganda nung naging adjustments itong mga taga-Irusin. And sabi mo nga, partner, that's an 8 minutes na walang naibuslo itong mga taga-Barcelona because of that good man-to-man defense na pinapakita nitong mga taga-Irusin. Yun na nga, sabi ko, partner, ready ba itong mga taga-Barcelona when it comes of defense? Kasi sabi nga natin, kung doon sa offensive sets is ready ka, partner, wala kang kakatakutan, di ka mape-pressure. Yung nangyayari sa kanila, partner, kaya nasasabi natin na mukhang may sarado yung ring. Is kasi, partner, minamadali yung tira, more on one-on-one, and pag ganun ang ginawa mo when it comes to the man-to-man defense, walang mangyayari, partner. To be able to break that man-to-man defense is talagang dapat you should move the ball from left to right and talagang mapagalaw mo yung mga defender and magkaroon ng open guy and make mismatches. So pero dun sa nangyari nitong nakaraang quarter, walang nangyaring gano'n for Team Barcelona. Medyo minamadali nila kasi sabi nga natin nagra-runs yung Irusin, gusto nilang bawiin kagad yung puntos, partner.
Tama, no? And in the third quarter, nag-step up na itong mga player ng Team Irosin. Kanina, si Tikboy Del Rosario hindi masyadong nakakapuntos. But in the third quarter, he made a whopping 12 points, assisted by Hapin with 9 points, and both Sabayo and Grifaldeo, the bigger guys on the team, contributed 8 points on that quarter.
Yes, partner. And tingnan mo naman, partner, yung dito, yung bench point scoring. Yung kanina, lamang na lamang itong mga taga Barcelona. But right now, 21 big points ang binigay ng mga bench player nitong Team Irusin para makabalik dito. And partner, ito yung tingnan natin dito. yung field goal, partner. 46%, 0.5 for Barcelona, and the paint, inside the paint, partner. But 52.4% for Irusin inside the paint. So maganda
Napakataas.
pinapakita. Kasi nga, malaki ang contribution nitong mga big guys nitong Irusin dito. The likes of Bulawan, Grifaldeo, and Sabayo.
Tama na ma-maximize nila yung physical advantage. So tingnan natin what adjustments are made on the fourth quarter break of Team Barcelona. With a quick run there, eto naman, bumabalik to the picture. Etong ating consistent point guard
Na si Bordios,
na si
partner.
Bordios. Tikboy against 3 with a floater.
Ito,
And,
partner, 3 puntos lang naman yan. Very manageable talaga. So, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin dito ng mga taga-Barcelona.
Tama, this could be anybody's ball game with Bordios attacking, and with his shooting prowess, he misses that shot. Del Rosario now with the ball, attacking, quick pass to Grifaldeo, napagandang pasa, and now they have 5-point lead already. So tingnan natin if Irusin, Barcelona rather, will have their revenge this time. Leona asking for a pick. Leona attacks to the left side instead. Pulgar against the Giants, fades away, misses, but Beltran was there to clean up the mess.
That's the 10th point of Oscar Beltran on this game, partner. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa maiko-contribute nito ni Oscar Beltran sa kanyang body na si Rodney Fulgar.
Lopez to Tikboy Del Rosario. Del Rosario to Hapin. Hapin guarded by a much smaller guy, si Bordios. Good pick ang ibinigay doon ni Sabayo, giving a free space for Hapin to make that 3-point shot.
And coming off the bench, partner, 12 points na itong si Hapin dito.
Leona decided to take a 3-pointer as well, but misses. But Bordios wants to steal the ball, but misses. Bordios, napakabilis out of nowhere. Even I myself is not expecting that. Bordios, napaka-active sa court, but sayang ng 3-2 fight there. Too much action, no? Pero grabe, I have to commend the speed and the energy ng isang Froilan Bordios.
Yes, partner.
Galing pa lang siya sa kabila, partner,
yung
no?
speedster talaga nitong Barcelona, itong si Bordios.
Very, ang tawag niya, napakasipag.
And partner, medyo matagal tong napahingaan nung third quarter. Tingnan natin kung ano yung maibibigay niya dito sa fourth quarter. Yun nga, first point nila nung fourth quarter, si Bordios ang may gawa.
So, tingnan natin. As we move closer to the end of this first game. Again, sa mga nanonood, we still have Gubat versus Matnog, Uban versus Santa Magdalena, and Bulusan versus Prieto Diaz. So huwag kayong itigil sa pagsubaybay sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon. And with that, Grifaldeo using his monstrous bodies against much smaller defenders.
Napaka-steady
Again, 2
talaga
points.
nito, partner, ni Grifaldeo dito.
Tama, and Leona attacking, using the glass, but misses. So with that action, a foul was called, and they are not happy. So pakinggan muna natin ang report ni Regine Bue. Regine, the floor is yours.
It's really a big turn for Team Barcelona. Kung kanina ay sila ang nangunguna, ngayon nadilimitahan na sa pagpunto si Jonas at nagsimula na rin sa pag-score si Tikboy Del Rosario, ay medyo nadidihado na ang Team Barcelona. But Coach Russell is still eager na maibalik ang kanilang game plan at malamangan muli ang kabilang kupunan. Yan ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Regine. No? Tama yung term na ginamit ni Regine. Medyo nadedehado. Kasi, again, the Barcelona is still gaining points. No? Though, I think it would be difficult being the underdog. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging sequence dito sa mga natitirang minuto ng fourth quarter. As Fulgar receiving the ball, attacking against 3. Napaka-tapang ng isang Fulgar. But he misses. So Del Rosario now with the ball from coast to coast, dropping the dime to Lopez for an easy 2.
7 points na din dito si Lopez dito, partner.
Grabe yung movement na, no? Parang magnet. He was attracting all guards so that his teammates would be free. Beltran to Leona for a pick, but Sabayo was there. Leona attacking and dicing and slicing, but he loses the ball for a turnover.
And mapansin ko lang din dito, partner, for Tikboy De Rosario, hindi masyadong nagko-contribute sa points in this quarter, pero mayroon na siyang 7 assists, partner, on this game.
Tama,
so,
no?
Maganda ang pinapakita din ito on the side of Erosin.
Mukhang nag-warm up lang siya sa first half, no? And then ibinuhos lahat sa third and fourth quarter. Now, Lopez to Tikboy De Rosario. De Rosario dribbling the ball, using the pick given to him, but heavily guarded with 8 seconds. Pushes a three-pointer there. Medyo alanganin, but with much bigger guys inside the paint, they're struggling to get the rebound. But Fulgar was there, trapped against 3. Now Beltran. Beltran should run here because that's a 4 against 2. But they decided to throw the ball from a long range. Espeño to Bordios. Borjos fires a 3. Borjos being the light here, as you've mentioned.
Tatlong 3 points, partner, ni Borjos dito sa ating laro.
Grabe.
So, maganda pinapakita nito off the bench.
So this is just an 8-point lead. No, kayang-kaya pa ito ng Team Barcelona because they were able to get a 20-point lead kanina. But Sabayo, Abulawan, Bordios attacking. Decided to move the ball outside with 14 seconds remaining. Fulgar against Del Rosario, spins and using the glass for 2. Grabe, kanina ko pa nakikita itong tapang ng isang Fulgar.
20 puntos na yan, partner, on this game. Rodney Fulgar.
Del Rosario strategically stopping the time there to rest a little. Decided to pass it to the side. And a quick 3-point attempt, but misses. Borjos. Once again, the court general for his team, carrying the ball against the much taller defenders. Beltran. Espeño. Espeño attacks. Fulgar. Fulgar was rejected. And Borjos, same spot to Fulgar in a free throw line. 2 points. And Fulgar getting the ball with that fast break.
Ito na naman, sila na naman ang nagkakaroon ng mini run dito, partner, itong Barcelona.
And Borjos, Beltran with an easy cleaning up the best. I guess that calls for a timeout there. Tingnan natin if they will stop the momentum. But not yet. No, they are not calling timeout.
Ito, medyo may konting dito. Kailangan nilang i-pressure, partner, dito sa baba kasi medyo pinapatay ng oras dito mga taga-Erosin.
Tama.
But this is just a 2-point lead, partner. Magandang away.
Ito yung double-edged sword din kapag malalaki yung players mo, no, madali din silang mapagod. So tingnan natin if the strategy will continue. And now, an opportunity to cut the lead once for all or change the favor. Kung mag-3 points sila. Beltran attacking, spinning. But Mrs. Fulgar was there to make the shot, and we're tied once again. And that forced Coach Ervin Lucena to call for a timeout.
Napakagandang laban, partner. This is just the first game, mga kaibigan. So, ito talaga si Fulgar, partner. A man in a mission here dito sa Team Barcelona, partner, for this game. Talagang napakaganda na pinapakita nito ni Fulgar.
Yeah,
so as you can see the highlights.
Sobrang ganda, no, ng pinakita ng both teams. Humabol, no, ng third quarter para sa mga tune in lang ang Erosin, no, but Barcelona was able to catch the Erosin once again.
Oo, partner. Kaya nakabalik itong mga taga Barcelona dito. Ito, maganda yung addition and maganda yung pagpasok dito kay Bordios na naman, partner, which is nasabi ko nga, ito yung speedster nila. Kaya kanilang parang pag pinush mo yung button, siya talaga yung energy guy.
Tama.
So, ito, sabihin natin, tingnan natin kung ano naman ang magiging adjustments dito ng mga taga-Irusin, partner.
Indeed, Coach Paul, no? Napaka-quality ng laro. And of course, this will not be possible without Ako Bicol party list headed by Congressman Saldico at Congressman Gil Bongalon. So maraming salamat po for bringing the games into the different provinces of Bicolandia.
And
Nandito tayo.
pasalamatan din natin, partner, ang governor na si Governor Boboy Hamor at ang mayor na si Mayor Michael Goysayco. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Napakaganda ng court nila. No? At I think first time ko makita ng court ng middle, anong tawag dyan? Ang center logo is Ako Bicol Cup.
Oo, ginawa daw nila yan.
So napakaganda. Commended kung sino man ang nag-paint at nag-design ito. And with that, speaking of the aggression, still continuing as Irosin was able to make a 3-pointer there. And nag-uusap ang mga referees, no? Because Barcelona asked for a coach's challenge. So
tingnan natin. Kasi nga medyo, I think nakita nila na medyo tumama dito kay Decano yung bola. Pero tingnan natin dito, partner. Ayan, balik na naman sa tatlo ang kalamangan. So this is a very exciting ball game dito partner, sa ating first game pa lang. So tingnan natin sa pagbabalik kung makakabalik ba itong Barcelona dito, partner, kung makakatabla.
Sa comment section, Coach Paul, may mga nagtatanong ano daw yung coach's challenge.
Coach's challenge, ito yung binibigay natin. Mayroon na kasi dito, partner, mayroon tayong IRS, yung instant replay. So ngayon may coach's challenge ang per team. Pwede nang i-challenge yung out of bounds. So titingnan natin doon kung talagang sino, or i-replay yun, i-check ng ating mga officials kung sino talaga yung may last touch.
So if the coach is confident na mali yung tawag.
Mali yung tawag.
So they can only do it for once.
Oo, isang beses lang. So
yan, thank you so much.
So pwede mo din kasi yung maging strategy, partner. Minsan ako ginagawa ko yun eh. So para mawala yung momentum or kaya maano yung normal naman yun, interesting naman yun. Pero hindi mo pwede kasing gamitin yun na talagang napaka-early naman, hindi mo naman siya kasi strategy mo din yun sa coach, kasi sa tingin mo kung hindi talaga tama yung itinawag, pwede mo naman siyang gamitin or you opt to gamitin siya pag mga late part na ng laro para makapag-huddle ka din, mga ganon mga style. So, pero that's isa na yan sa pinaka talaga nitong basketball, kasi sabi nga natin, basketball is evolving. So may mga ganyan na at lalo na pag naka-broadcast yung laro.
Yeah,
so,
actually I didn't see that one coming, no. Na pwede mo pala siyang gawing pang strategy. No, aside from the fact na
kasi
pwede mo makuha yung bola, di ba? Pwede mo siyang gamitin para mapagpapahingahin yung players mo or to break the momentum. And that coach challenge is a success.
That's unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful.
Kasi binigay ulit sa Irosin.
Sa Irosin. So yan, thank you so much, Coach Paul, for that lecture, at least yung mga aspiring players natin, even the audiences themselves, na hindi naglalaro ng basketball, nalalaman nila yung
ang pwedeng tumawag lang doon is yung coach.
Yung coach lang, head coach lang. Yan. So alam nila kung ano mga nangyayari, from the comfort of their homes. Now, going back to the game, we have Tikboy Del Rosario. What a inbound play there. And Sabayo is smiling. And they were very happy with that inbound play. And now, still struggling naman itong Barcelona na kanina enjoying the lead. Espanyo rather.
Tingnan natin anong tatawag ng referee.
So I think ito yung naging dito sana dapat siguro ginamit yung coach's challenge, no? So that strategic. So tingnan natin. As I am seeing my cousins there, mga kapamilya ko na nag-aantay sa second game. So nanonood, happy viewing sa inyo sa likod ng table. Espinacilla and Enorme family. Happy viewing sa inyo.
Okay, ano kaya yung tinawag ng ating ano kaya yon?
And the ball will be given once again. No, I think there's a confusion on who touches the ball last. So
Yes,
the referee upon huddling decided to give the ball back to Barcelona. Barcelona trailing with regaining their momentum kasi they have 5 points gap.
Oo, with 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining sa ating laro.
Tingnan natin if they will taste their victory. And
That's a bad inbound, partner.
yes.
That's a bad inbound.
And Drew maximizing the mistake made there by Barcelona. And we are on the twilight zone as we are running with 82-75 in favor of Irosin, and Espeño missing the three-pointer there. Pulgar attacking. And I think they will call an ordinary foul. Nasa penalty line na ba tayo? Or nasa act of shooting yon? So you'll check later.
So wala pang penalty.
Wala pang penalty.
Oo.
No, so hindi din act of shooting. So they will inbound the ball with 1 minute and 44 seconds remaining. 7-point lead. This can still be anybody's ball game as Fulgar shoots the ball and there's a foul called.
Another foul on Decano.
Decano as caught there, extending a little of his elbow. So the referees are watching the game very carefully as we call for another timeout because the remaining sequence would be very crucial. They have to regroup. Ano kayang pwedeng gawin, Coach Paul, ng Team Barcelona for the remaining minutes of the fourth quarter?
Yes, partner. But this is just a 7-point lead, no? They call a timeout para dun sa para sa kanilang inbound play, partner. So kung mai-draw nila yan, kaya nilang i-cut sa 4 or sa 5 yung kalamangan. So partner, this is a very crucial inbound for them. So again, tingnan natin kung ano gagawin dito ng Team Barcelona, partner, dito sa ating laro, partner.
Yan, very exciting. Para sa mga tune in pa lang, kanina, we actually some of my friends are expecting Irosin to dominantly win the game because again, they are already 2-0 in our elimination. While Barcelona is in a bad position in our elimination. Pero
Yes, partner.
Barcelona on the first half exceeded our expectations by gaining a 20-point lead as we end the second half. And then here comes Irosin taking control once again, and then Barcelona tying the ball as we end the third quarter. So eto na yung result ng summary. So tingnan natin as quick shot was made by Borjos there, and Espeño was there to clean up the mess, decided to pass it outside, but Decano running, pass it, hits the rim, yung tira ni Drew. Borjos once again to Beltran for an easy 2.
They need a stop here, partner. Kung gusto pa nila na makuha itong larong ito for Team Barcelona, they need to stop. This is just a 5-point lead, partner, for Team Irosin.
Tama, and Decano with the ball, smiling and talking to Del Rosario on what to do. Decano shoots a floater but misses, but the big guy, Grifaldeo, was there. Out of bounds was called. So they have the luxury of 14 seconds to repeat a play with 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter of the match.
So tingnan natin to, partner, kung makakapitalize nitong mga taga-Irosin itong inbound play na to.
Eto na, si Drew. Passing it to Decano, back to Drew. Drew thinking 3. Decided to attack instead, but that was a too strong pass to their bigger guy na si Sabayo. And Bordios, once again, firing. A 3-pointer there, closing the gap into 2 points.
Grabe talaga itong Borjos, partner. Coming off the bench. That's his third triple of the game. Talagang very effective itong si Borjos, partner, dito sa larong.
Tama, it is as if he's not feeling the pressure and the intensity of our game right now. So, napakagandang laro.
Oo, at 18 points na itong si Borjos dito, partner.
Eto na,
That
makita
layup,
natin yung replay. Ito yung tira ni
Grabe.
Bordios, napakataas ng talon. Ano? Parang
Confident
ano,
ba? Confidence ba
Confident.
ang hinahanap nyo? Yun, ang
Yun.
confident na tira.
yung an epitome of confidence, isang Froilan Bordios ng Barcelona.
So, ito partner, tingnan natin kung ano magiging sagot naman ng mga taga-Irusin dito as they talk sa kanilang huddle. But again, partner, ang kailangan lang gawin itong mga taga-Barcelona is to stop this possession. And then, at the other hand, pag nakabalik sila and make a point at maitabla. So that will change the complexion of the game with 51.1 seconds remaining on our fourth quarter, partner.
Tama, no? We could see an overtime here, no? Or pwedeng it will end with the bang
Yes,
for any of
partner.
these teams. So tingnan natin as we are now in the remaining seconds of the fourth quarter. Again, you are watching one of the 4 amazing game of Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon today. Barcelona versus Irosin as Decano barely crosses the half court. Decided to pass it to Drew. Drew to the bigger man as si Sabayo. Del Rosario guarded by Leona. Using the pick, fires a quick three-pointer. In and out for Del Rosario. An opportunity to either win or tie the ball game. Leona heavily guarded by Del Rosario now with the possession. And Borjos, the star of this team, with 13 seconds, fires and rejected! Bordios recovering. Leona from the corner and misses the shot. A sorry miss for Team Barcelona. That could have won them the game or at least edge the scoring with 1 point. Now they have to stop Team Irosin with 9 seconds and they are wasting a lot of time. No, mukhang
Medyo minadali yun, partner. Sayang yun. Second team foul pa lang yun for team
sayang, no? Kung pumasok yun, no? That one would be in the books of the history of Barcelona. And they have to force a foul here to stop the time, no? But I think penalty na ba? So ito din yung minsan problem pag medyo kulang yung foul nyo. You will waste few seconds just to ask for a foul.
Yes, partner.
Napakagandang laro, Coach Paul. Isang karangalan na makasama ka, no? Sa
Yes.
hindi
Ako
na
din, Sir
expect.
Jello. But again, sabi nga natin, sayang yung last na possession yon. Hindi naman nila kailangan kasi yung 3-pointer kanina, partner. Just to tile the ball game will do. No?
Yes.
So, sabi nga natin, medyo talagang ang hinanap nila is yung 3-pointer. Kung ako yon, di ba, Bordios is talagang maganda yung pinapakita. Siguro ikininira out niya, tinawag niya si Fulgar to set a pick, and then from there, doon nila atakihin yung depensa nitong mga Erosion. But they opt to take the 3-pointer. Pero wala tayong magagawa doon. Yun talaga yung...
Maybe they were thinking, Coach Paul, na baka pag tumagal pa ng another 5 minutes, hindi na nila kayang sumabay.
Hindi na nila kayang
So,
sumabay.
we never know. No?
But again, this is a
Pero,
very good game.
Siyempre, as a coach, parang ganun talaga dapat yung gagawin mo. No?
For me, that is just a 2-point lead, partner. Hindi ko naman kailangan na. Pag open yung tira ng 3 points, why not? Pero kung nakikita mo naman ganun yung spacing, ganung klaseng spacing papakita sa'yo, wag muna.
Yeah, quite desperate yung attempt na yun. No? Tsaka, mas mataas, no? Relatively, mas mataas yung chance na makakuha ka ng 2 points rather than 3 points. But again, it already happened, no? We should accept the things we cannot change as we now move forward with 5.8 seconds remaining on our first game pa lang ito, mga kaibigan, no? So, punong-puno na ang ating court, pero I think some of them will leave. No, so pwede kayong pumunta dito para panoorin ang mga susunod na laro. Gubat versus Matnog, Huban versus Santa Magdalena, and Bulusan versus Prieto Diaz. No, I think magsusurulwakan digdi ang mga tao, no, in Bicol term. Rio, inbounding the ball.
Pero ito, mas maganda dito kung go for the steal muna, no?
Yeah, but Drew is very fast. Decano rather is very fast to waste, no, with that just sequence, no, yung pa-foul nila, they've already wasted 5 seconds, no. Nagsimula tayo sa 8 point something, 3.3 na lang.
So,
So-
masusubukan dito, partner, yung ice on the veins nitong si Dicano.
Tama, no? Tingnan natin, if he made the 2, that would be the nail to the coffin of Team Barcelona. Pero if he misses 1, no, we can still put a dagger to the heart of Team Irosin. Pero ito na nga, nakuha niya na ang una. So, the second one will be the nail to the coffin for Team Barcelona. And there you have it.
That's it.
No, for any this would be very difficult now unless you get a foul for a 3, and that's a very good game nonetheless because the underdogs was able to rise on the occasion. They were able to cut the lead with 1 point, no, as compared to what some in the comment sections have been expecting. Yung mga nag-uusap nga, may mga plus-plus pa daw. So napakaganda. Kudos to both teams. Kudos to our officiating officials, to our audiences, no, for bringing the hype to this unexpected series, no, the first game of Team Barcelona and Team Irosin.
Grabe, partner. Speechless ako nun. Hanggang ng first game natin, no? Sabi mo nga, lumamang itong mga taga-Barcelona with 20 big points ng ating first half. But again, maganda na manage ng Irosin to adjust on the third quarter para habulin na yung 20-point deficit na yon, partner, no? That's if I'm not mistaken, that's a 23-0 run, partner, on the third quarter. So talagang maganda ang pinakita. Medyo itong Barcelona, partner, sabi ko nga pag nakokompleto to medyo malakas, but they just came up short. And yung naging factor doon is yung third quarter na wala silang naging adjustment masyado in their offense. Maganda sana din yung pinapakita nila sa depensa, but when it comes to their offense, partner, medyo sabi nga natin, medyo fail sila doon sa offense nila during the third quarter.
Yeah,
so,
they took a very big hit, no, on the third quarter there. Sayang they were able to silence the like of Del Rosario sana on the first few quarters. Medyo inaalat yung mga big man nila, na si Sabayo at Bulawan.
But kudos to this Froilan Borjos guy, partner, for
Yes.
Team Barcelona. Talagang napakaganda yung pinakita niya dito sa larong ito. But again, sabi nga natin, minsan may sinasabi, pinalamang na kayo, gusto nyo pang mananalo. But again, good adjustments kasi on the part of Team Irosin dito, partner. But again, invite din natin itong mga manonood natin for our second game. Laban ng Gubat against Batdog, and of course the third game is Guban versus Santa Magdalena, and the last game ang home team na Bulusan haharapin itong mga taga Prieto Diaz on the fourth and final game. So as you can see the highlights of the game, so talagang napakagandang laro dito sa Bulusan Cultural and Sports Center. Unang-unang laro pa lang, mainit na, partner.
Tama,
so
no?
again, kung hindi naman po kayo makapunta dito sa Bulusan Cultural and Sports Center, mayroon tayong partner ng mga social media platform na pwede silang manood. Rep Saldico page on Facebook, Ako Bicol Online TV, mayroon tayong Ako Bicol Cup YouTube, partner. And of course, mayroon din tayong yung sa Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page. And also, kung mahilig kayo sa TikTok, mayroon din tayong TikTok account.
Yes.
Ako Bicol Cup sa TikTok. Please like and subscribe dyan sa mga channels na yan.
Oo, makikita nyo doon ang mga highlights ng mga different games natin.
And of course,
dito sa
makikita nyo doon yung mga short stories ng ating mga Bicolano players na who succeeded sa kanilang mga kanya-kanyang profession, and of course while playing basketball. Sabi nga natin na lahat halos dito sa Ako Bicol Cup, partner, na bibigyan ng chance, not only the players, we also as well, itong mga commentators, mga officials natin. So again, maraming salamat po on our first game. So mga kasama nyo later, si Wadi Jan Batsillar for the second game. Also, magbabalik dyan si Sir Jello Espiricilla mamaya. So ako muna, magpapahinga muna ako, partner. So andyan na si Mabel kasama ang ating kasunod player of the game. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood. Mabel, take it away.
Thank you, Sir Jello and Coach Paul. Ito na ang ikatlong panalo ng Team Erosin matapos nilang talunin ang Team Barcelona ngayon. Kasama ko na rin ngayon ang kasurog player of the game na si Tikboy Del Rosario, who scored 17 points, 13 rebounds, 9 assists, 3 steals, and 1 block. Tikboy, noong una ay nakalamang sa inyo ang kabilang kupunan, pero nakahabol at nakalamang kayo. Ano yung mindset ng inyong team all throughout the game para makahabol at manalo?
Yun nga, lumamang sila ng 20 points ata yun pataas. Tapos masyado kami nag-relax sa defense. So kailangan lang namin bumawi sa defense para makarecover kami sa game.
Ayan, paano nyo napanatili yung ganong mindset at manalo?
Wala lang, yung nagtulong-tulong lang. Tapos yung defense talaga yung naging problema namin kaya lumayo sila eh.
Baka may mga gusto kang batiin o kaya pasalamatan. Go ahead.
Binabati ko yung mga anak ko, si Atina, si Eja, si Gianna, at yung buong pamilya ko sa Catanduanes, yung ABC family, San Andres Basketball Community, tsaka yung mga taga-Erosin, kay Mayor Pidoy Cielo, at sa lahat ng mga nanonood at sumusuporta sa Ako Bicol Cup.
Ayan, congratulations Team Erosin and the rest of your team. Ayan mga kasurog, dyan lang kayo dahil mamaya maglalaban naman sa Game 2 ang Team Gubat kontra sa Team Matnog. Manatiling nakatutok live sa aming Facebook pages, sa page ni Rep Saldico ng Ako Bicol Party List at ng Ako Bicol Online TV. Follow us also sa aming YouTube and TikTok account at Ako Bicol Cup. Again, this is Mabel Atchagoyan, your Ako Bicol Cup courtside reporter.
Basta kayo ang